There is a digital divide along gender lines. 327 million fewer women than men have a smartphone. The gap is widening and the impact is visible all the way from the headline figures to individual lives. The UN reports that women's exclusion from the digital world cost $1 trillion of GDP in low and middle income countries over the last decade. Discriminatory norms and online abuse make the problem worse. The good news is that improving digital access for women brings huge benefits. Women in farm households typically have less access to information than men. Closing the information gap leads to better outcomes across households and communities. Our research has shown that when women were given mobile phones, SIM cards, and time charge cards, 75% benefited from access to useful agricultural information, such as veterinary advice. In Uganda, video-based extension services devised by CGIAR reduced the information gap for women. Women who watched the videos increased their adoption of soil bunds, water harvesting techniques, and better pasture management. Today, CGIAR's Digital Innovation Initiative is developing a suite of tools and guidelines to bridge the digital divide. These tools will ensure that gender equality and social inclusion underlie the development of digital innovations, of the research programs and their implementation. It will support innovators to improve the gender responsiveness of their solutions, to better serve the needs of at least 2.43 million women in food, land, and water systems. At CGIAR, we also strive to lead by example in our workforce as well as our research. Last December, we took top prize in the Diversity and Inclusion category at the prestigious Career Development Roundtable Awards, a validation of years of effort to advance gender equity in CGIAR, which we know will help us advance our mission. Bridging the digital gender divide is an important part of that mission. It will help improve lives and livelihoods, defend the most vulnerable, and enhance food security within planetary boundaries.